Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. We have a Fashem unboxing today. Fashem! I'm wearing the purple to match the box. Not really, it just happened that way. Fashem! I haven't had a Fashem in a little bit. I don't know, month and a half? 2 months? We're gonna open it up with our trusty rusty screwdriver! So here we go. If you haven't tried Fashem before, I'll leave the info down below in the description. They send you 5 items. You keep what you want. You send back what you don't. I think it's a $20 styling fee. Can't remember. So yeah, here we go. It's in the description below, as well as a referral link. If you want to try Fashem when you haven't before, you can use my link if you so choose. Thank you! Self-love is the best outfit. Try before you buy. Try all styles picked items. Returns are free and convenient. They haven't sent like an envelope like this before, so it's interesting. They usually just have this and it says Fashem on it. Dun, dun, dun. So this is the note and the invoice all in one. So hi Rachel, thank you for styling with Fashem again. I'm so happy to see you back in my queue. For that beautiful warm weather, I have included a mixture of fun summer-inspired styles. Summer-inspired styles. Say that 5 times fast. Slightly lower prices from your last box. Yeah, I felt like my last box was a little pricey. A few of these pieces are a bit transitional as well, but one of my favorites could be the Skies Are Blue linen blend front tie skirt because it can be worn so easily with the Chris and Carol soft ruffle sleeve top and a pair of cute sandals for a comfortable yet pulled together look. Can't wait to hear what you think. Smiley face, Kristen, XO. Thanks, Kristen. Alright, so yeah, prices are a little better. Last box was a little dismayed because Fashem kind of started out, in my opinion anyway, is like a less expensive version of Stitch Fix. Am I crooked? I feel like I'm crooked, or maybe I'm just sitting on a slant. You'll tell me. Anyway, they send you the mailer to mail everything back you don't want to keep, and we'll get our bundle out. Dun, dun, dun. Fashem, they also send you a preview and you pick the 5 items that you want sent to you, so it's not a surprise or anything. But here is our bundle. There's some pretty colors there. I'm excited for it. This is the skirt, so that's really pretty. It looked more, I think, reddish in the preview too. So like even stuff looks different once you finally see it in person. So let's get into it. All right. Dun, 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 dun. That was loud. Here we are. Here is our first thing. It is a skirt by Skies Are Blue. And it said like the description of it that it was a tie front skirt, but there is no tie. So I don't know why they named it that. It's pretty cute. It's got a nice stretchy back. It's got some faux buttons on the front there. Pretty cute. I like it. It's a nice bright pink, kind of a fuchsia-y pink. There's a stretchiness in the back, and it does have pockets, and it has some pleats right there too. So, yay! I like that. I was also excited about this one. It is a twist front top, and I just really liked the pattern, and also it's a V-neck, so I liked that, and it has the twist in the front. So I thought that was really cute. And I also just watched Cruella on Disney Plus. And that's kind of giving me some like Dalmatian vibes. Don't wear Dalmatians. But that's what it kind of reminded me of. And next, oh, okay. I didn't realize that this was a, it has the floral pattern in the front and the stripes in the back with buttons. So I didn't realize it was like that. And this also has a twist. So that's kind of cute. I'm usually not one to have like one pattern on the front and one on the back, but it's kind of cute. I don't hate it, and they're faux buttons too, so it's not going to come apart in the back. And that's by 7th Ray. Maybe I'll go over the names and prices at the end. And then next, I wasn't super jazzed about this one, but I thought I'd try it because you just never know. It might be cute. It's blue. It's like, it's kind of, it feels really nice and comfy. It has a tie on the side, and it's just got some stars on it. It's okay, but thought I would try it. And then lastly, oh, okay, it's kind of boxy. This is the Chris and Carol, and it's gray, and I just like the sleeves of this one. See that cute ruffle? Nice little t-shirt, but a little something extra with that ruffle on there. Yeah. So those are the 5 items. Let's try them on. So first up, we have the tank top with my mom shorts. I think I got these. I don't remember. Did I get them from Natalie Tired? Where did I get these shorts from? You guys will tell me. It might have been Wantable. I don't know. Anyway, here's the tank top. Here's the back. It's actually pretty cute. This is the thing that I don't know if it so much as bugs me, but it's just kind of weird to me. I don't know. I probably would have preferred if it were just all stripes or all floral, maybe. It's not bad. It's just kind of like I can't make up its mind, you know? I like the buttons down the back. Gives a little something extra. It's comfy. I think the armholes are a good size. I've been having issues with like the armholes on tank tops like this lately. So yeah, it's not bad. Let's try another one. Again, this one's not bad either. It's just, I don't know, it's just okay. It's kind of like a sweatshirt material. It's really soft and a little bit kind of thicker. I don't know if I'm crazy about the stars. I feel like it's, I don't know, kind of gimmicky for me. I don't know. What do you guys think? It would be nice. It's okay. Again, just okay. The sleeves, I like, they're a good length. They're kind of flowy. They're not like skin tight or anything. They do have the drop shoulder and kind of like the seam right here. So it kind of does make my shoulders look a little wider, I think. But it's okay. I'm more hopeful for the other 2 tops. So let's try those ones. If I thought the other one gave me like wide shoulders, how about this one? I was hopeful for this one. I thought it was gonna flow a little bit nicer. It's a little too long, I think, as well. Yeah, you could just, you know, tuck it in the front or something. But it's also kind of like a thick material, so it's not like something I would probably tie even or tuck because it is a little bit of a thicker material. So, oh man, I was hopeful for this one. It's not bad, it's just not what I was expecting, which is kind of like the other 2 tops. So, all right, let's try on. I'm gonna try the skirt and the shirt together. So let's see how that is. Okay, I lied. I'm gonna show you it with the shorts first so that you can see the twist, because if I were to wear this with the skirt, I think I would tuck it in. I think this is much better. This is the best top out of the box. I think it's cute. I like the little, I like cap sleeves. I like the shorter sleeve right there. I like the twist in the front. You could still also just tuck it in if you wanted to. And it's thin enough that that feels fine. I like the V-neck. I think that's nice. I like the pattern. I think it's cute. Okay, now let's try it on with the skirt. All right, here we have the skirt. It's very bright pink. In the camera, it's like, rah! It's super bright. I think it's a good length. It's got the nice stretch. It fits around my waist like perfectly. Let's aim it down a little bit, but carefully because I still haven't bought a new tripod. Yeah, I think that's a good length, right? It's kind of like right at the knee. The back's nice. It has pockets, which is awesome. I do like to wear skirts to work. So I think this is really cute, even with this top. I think is nice. The only thing I'm worried about is the material, if it's going to wrinkle a lot, because it did say it was linen. So that's the only thing I would worry about. Otherwise, the buttons are cute. The pleats are cute. I think it's nice. Okay, let's go over prices. Prices. Here we go. Okay, so this is better than I remember because I think I put this request in like maybe 3 weeks ago and I just got it today. But it did take a little longer. But these skies are blue, linen blend, front tie skirt. See, I don't know why it's called a front tie skirt. There's no tie. Is $40. I think that's a good price for a skirt. The Chris and Carol soft ruffle sleeve top. That's the gray one that I had higher hopes for, $42. The 7th ray, I don't know why I'm leaning so much today. I think I'm tired. I still have to power wash our porch today. Okay, the 7th ray Julie floral tank with back detail. $39. The Coin 1804 Megan Knot Detail Top, the blue star top, $46. And then the Coin 1804 Terry Tie-Dye V-Neck Tee, $45. So I'm not gonna get that. I think that's too much for that shirt. But I like the $40 skirt, so I think I'm gonna be keeping that. So the subtotal is $212. If you keep everything, you get 30% off. So the whole box would be $148.40 after the 30% off. And then Fashem is kind of neat where you get 15% off when you keep 3 or more items, and then you get the 30% off if you keep all 5. So there's still an incentive if you keep 3, which is cool. So yeah, I think I'm gonna keep that skirt. I think it's cute. I'll wear it to work. Take a shot. I'm out of it today. I haven't had any caffeine, I just realized, and it's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. That is it. I'm gonna go have some iced coffee. If you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and then hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already and you like these kind of unboxings. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.